raisins plump with sweet delight. In warm water bathe for 15 minutes bright. Then rinse beneath the running water's flow, and dry upon a paper towel aglow. Now walnuts chop, and flour sift with care, and baking powder, soda too prepare. In large bowl, soften butter, eggs unite, and sugar add, until the batter's light. Pumpkin puree, spices, salt in part, and gradually add flour with gentle art. Walnuts and raisins fold within the batter and grease a loaf pan, lest the bread should chatter. Pour batter in and pumpkin seeds on top, then bake in oven where the aromas hop. At 350 degrees for 45 until a toothpick's touch reveals the prize. Oh, pumpkin bread, with flavors bold and sweet, a treat to savor, a delight to eat.